In this spreadsheet, what we are trying to do is we are trying to build the uh, linked income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. So all of them we are trying to link, and based on all of them, we are trying to build the dashboard. Okay. So any one of you aware of this concept, income statement, cash flow statement, balance sheet? Gayatri, Rishabh.
Sir, I have not get it. Please, can you please repeat?
So in the spreadsheet, we are learning to build a dashboard. Okay. Are you aware what is dashboard?
Yes.
Okay. Gayatri, are you aware what is dashboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Gayatri, you can be a bit louder. I cannot hear you properly.
Okay, sir.
So in dashboard, what happens is we try to get picture of what is lying inside the data, what the data is trying to tell us. So
Yes.
that picture we get through dashboard. Okay. So this is something that we are trying to build today. Maybe some charts, some graphs, some tables. That is something that will be the outcome. Okay. Now, for any business, these are very important things, which is input, income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. Okay. So uh, just click on the input now.
Input.
Input tab. Go down. Can you see the tab in blue? Go
Okay.
down.
Okay. 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 Yes.
So this is the input tab in which what we are given is we are given 2 years, 2024 and 2025, and respective figures for that for revenue, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, depreciation, interest expense, tax rate, opening cash, account receivable, inventory, account payable, and PPE. Okay. So these are the different heads for which we have been given numbers. Now, for any business, so let us say, let us try to understand from this perspective. Let us say, Rishabh, you get your salary on the first of the month. Okay.
Yes.
You're working, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You get your salary on the first of month, and on 30th of month, you are left with some amount. Okay. So in between, what happens? You try to cover up your expenses with the amount that you have received, right?
Yes.
And the difference between the if you subtract your expenses uh, from the salary, that is what you are left with. Now sometimes it might happen that, yeah, your expenses may get higher than your income.
Income. Yes.
Then in that case, what you do is you might borrow some money from a friend or
Right.
from a bank, right?
Yes.
Then you will return that once, you know once your cash flow is normal.
Yes.
So similarly, there are same concepts in business as well. So whenever, let's say, business gets income, and whatever the cost it incurs in maybe manufacturing the goods or in providing the services, that gets reduced from the revenue, and whatever it is remaining, that is the profit. Okay. Now, business does not have, what we call as asset. So whatever business has with it, which is can be used or converted into cash, is asset, and whatever business who needs to give it to someone, that is called as liabilities. Let us say if a business has a good amount of customer who are paying them every month, or business has an office space of its own, it has its own investments. So what are them? They are assets of the business, right? But if business has a loan and it needs to pay interest every month, or business has to pay a supplier, so what are these are liabilities for the business. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Easy. Gayatri? Okay. So now If you look over here, so this is what revenue. Revenue means whatever cash the business has got. Then this is the cost of goods sold. Then whatever the operating expenses the business has, there is some depreciation. What is depreciation, Rishabh? Do you know
Yes, sir.
what is it?
Means the devaluation of we can say uh,
Assets, maybe,
particular asset we can say, sir. Yes.
right? So depreciation. Let us say you have assets of 10 lakhs and you are considering that it would depreciate, its value would depreciate every year by 10%. So that is the depreciation,
Depreciation.
right? So this is the interest expense. Then tax rate. So whatever profit that you get, so there is certain tax that you would have to pay after it. You know, EBITDA,
EBIT, yes, sir.
okay,
Earning before tax and earning
earning after tax,
after
right?
tax.
Then opening cash. I mean, in the starting of the year or month, there would be some opening cash with the business. So that is something which is here. Then account receivable means you have given the good, but you have not received the money, right? Let us say you got a phone, but you are yet to pay to the shopkeeper. So for shopkeeper, whatever is the amount of sales price of the phone, that is the amount receivable for him. Okay,
Yes.
and whatever amount you need to pay him, that becomes amount payable for you. Okay, then
Yes.
inventory means whatever goods we have, so that will differ inventory depending on the nature of business. If business is into selling products or goods physical, so in that case inventory would be there, otherwise there may not be inventory, right? Then comes account payable, and then these are some other parameters which we call as PPE. Okay.
Sir, what it stands for PPE?
PP is I'll tell you in a bit what PP is. That is one of the factors which comes. I'll
Okay.
tell you in a bit what PP is. Okay. Clear till here?
Yes, yes.
Now we will start with the first income statement.
Sir, I think recording start or stop, sir?
It has been started.
Okay, okay.
So PPE stands for property, plant, and equipment.
Okay, okay. Got it.
Okay. So, so these are the instructions which are given over here. You may just go over it. Mayur, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You installed Power BI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you open this spreadsheet first? Day 9 training.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, but this is open in Microsoft Excel, sir, only.
Yeah, this is the Excel only, right? Today is the last day of Excel, and after this, we will start with Power BI.
Okay, 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 sir.
Maybe in the second half, we'll start with Power BI.
Okay, okay.
Rushabh, can you quickly uh, explain, Mayur, what we are trying to build or what
Sure.
this table is about? Yeah.
Okay, sir, I'm trying. Uh, Hello, Mayur, my audio, voice is audible to you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Sir, summarize that table. In this table, there is some what we can say the all thing is there. Means what is revenue, year, then operating expenses, all this stuff is there. So if we started any business, so there is some basic things we can say in that business parameters. So if we start a business, then we need to opening cash, means that cash we put it on business and running all our operational expenses. So in this table there is a opening cash is there, then inventory, what exactly we want, then account receivable, means how money comes from different source, then account payable, how we pay to them, means if any bill is pending, salary is pending, so it's on account, we can say account payable. Then PPE, uh, sir, what you told about the full form of PPE?
Plant, property, and equipment.
Okay, sorry, plant, property, and inventory. So
Equipments.
what?
Equipments.
Sorry. Uh, and there is some values there. So we refer that table, and sir, what exactly we want to show, means we want to create.
So we want to create everything based on this, which is income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. Okay.
Okay.
So this will be the reference sheet for us. There are some there are some calculations or some formulas that have been given in the subsequent sheet. We will be starting to do that. Okay. So
Yes.
basically, the purpose of doing this is we want to, mm, what we want to do is we want to apply the concepts that we have learned so far in Excel, different concepts. Maybe we look up, H lookup, or the different functions that we have learned. We will try to apply this all in this single spreadsheet. This is the objective of it. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let us move on to income statement. Let us check what is there in each of the tab, because understanding these things are important to you, since you will be applying. You'll be applying for the role of financial analyst or analyst. So what these figures mean to you is very important, and what these figures are trying to tell you, the understanding is important. So that is why we'll go through each sheet one by one, and then we'll start with the calculations. Okay. So tomorrow's session maybe a bit, what you can say, bit inclusive of everything. So there might be a lot of concepts that we'll be learning. So just be attentive. Okay. And in case if you have any doubt, just feel free to ask. Okay.
Yes.
And today I will be telling what to do, then you guys will be following. Okay. So Rishabh, anyways, yes, we are sharing the screen. So let us move on to income statement now. Income statement tab. Okay. So if you
Yes.
see, there are different heads given over here: revenue, COGS, gross profit, operating expenses, then depreciation, then followed by that EBIT, earning before interest, right?
Yes.
Then we subtract interest from that. Then it becomes EBT,
It-
earning before
Earning
taxes.
before tax.
Then we reduced income tax from that. And after that, whatever is left, that is net income or
Net income.
EBITDA, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So for EBIT, EBT, and tax and net income, all of them, the formula has been given. And these values we can pull from the input table. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now go to the cash flow statement. Yeah. Over here we already have net income, depreciation given. Then we can subtract this increases in inventory or account receivable, then account payable, all of these things, these calculations can be done. Then accordingly we will be getting the opening CF. Then PPE we will be subtracting, the interest will be subtracting, then we'll be getting with the net cash flow, and we'll already have opening cash flow from the table that we will pull, and depending on that the closing cash flow will be calculated. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yeah, go to the next spreadsheet. Yeah. over here we'll be calculating what are the current total assets for the company and what are the total liabilities. Okay. So when we talk about assets, we have cash, account receivable, inventory, and plant property and equipment (TP). These are all the assets of the company. And followed by that, we have the liabilities. Liabilities are, let us say, if there is an equity or account payable. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let us move on to the first, income statement.
Sir, there is a dashboard is pending. So
Yeah.
we,
So in dashboard, whatever we build from here, from the balance sheet or cash flow statement or income statement, we'll be creating a dashboard based on that. So that is the last step which would come.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. Go to the input now. Yeah. All right. So you are clear with the input table is very important for us right now to consider because these values will be using somewhere else. Go to the income statement. Okay. Now we want to bring revenue from 2024 over here.
Here,
Yeah.
2024
Yeah. No, 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 no. What do we want? Revenue. And for what?
revenue.
2024. Where can we find it?
Gross profit.
Where can we find it? We already have these values.
Okay, okay.
You can use the table above. The first table you can
20,
use.
25 lakhs.
Yeah, so do not hard code the value. Put equal to. Yeah. Now click on input tab. Yeah. Click enter. Got it?
Yes.
All right.
Same with this table.
So you can either do it manually or you can apply, VLOOKUP over here or HLOOKUP. What do you want to do? Do you want to try doing VLOOKUP? I'll tell you a trick how you can do that. Let us try doing VLOOKUP. Okay.
With that 2025 table.
For entire table, we'll try to pull values from VLOOKUP by applying VLOOKUP. Go to input. So this table is in horizontal fashion, but on out inputs we need is in the vertical fashion. So what do we need over here is first let us convert this table in the similar fashion in which revenue is on the left. All the particulars are on the left side and data in the year is on the right side. Okay. So copy entire table,
This one or this one, sir?
the first one.
Okay.
Control C. Okay. Scroll down come below instruction. Okay. Wait. On let's say row 20, 33, right click. Okay. 33, A33. Go to A33.
A33.
Yeah, right click. Can you see two arrows going in the opposite direction? Paste option. Go to paste option. Paste option. Come down. Okay. There are multiple options. The fourth one. Yeah. The fourth one.
This one.
Yeah. So what has happened right now is we have transposed the table. It was in
Okay.
the horizontal fashion. We made it in a vertical fashion. Got it?
Yes.
Clear? Now go to income statement.
Income statement.
Yeah. Okay. Now click on again 25 lakhs wherever you have put on 25 lakhs 2024. Apply VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP. Then revenue. Click on revenue. Revenue is the value you want to find. then comma, then go to input,
Table array. This
scroll
table?
down. Yeah, log the table range,
Function
F4,
F4, right?
right, comma. Now, what is the column? Second column over here.
Entire second column.
No, just put 2. Enter 2. Enter 2 only.
Oh, sorry.
Go click backspace. Again, remove input as well. Go back. Just 2, comma. We want exact match, so false. Bracket close. Enter. Got it? Now try to
Yes.
go, scroll, drag it down. No, drag down that 25. Go to
Okay,
25
okay.
line.
Sorry, sorry.
Drag down the formula. Okay, why don't we quickly check these values? So COGS, is it 12 lakhs? Go back to input table. Yeah, perfect. 12 lakhs is there. Then go to income statement. What is the next value which is showing NA?
Gross
Gross
profit.
profit. Okay. So gross profit is something that we'll have to calculate. So it is not available over here. That is
Yes.
okay. Go to income statement again, Rishabh. And this EBIT interest,
Operating expenses is there. We check.
operating expenses is there, which
Yes,
is
operating expense correct.
okay,
Depreciation also correct.
correct. Then
Then I think all value we can calculate.
yeah, and we have value for interest.
Interest expenses is there.
Yeah. Interest, why is it not showing over here?
No.
Is there any issue? Check spelling for both.
Uh,
So, okay, over here it is written as interest expense and over here it is interest, right?
Interest, yes, yes.
So, either change it to interest expense or the other one to interest. Change the other one to interest. Yeah. Remove expense from there. Backspace as well. Backspace as well. There is additional space. After T, double click. Double click. Yeah. Click one more. Backspace.
Okay.
Yeah. See, it doesn't appear that there is a backspace, but it affects.
Okay, yes.
Okay, perfect. So now we have values for 2024, all the values. So wherever you see NA, just delete that formula in that cell.
Enter formula.
Just click escape from keyboard and click delete button from your keyboard. Delete. Is there a button delete on your
No.
keyboard?
No.
It must be there. You can access it with the function key.
Function. Okay. Okay.
It's there, right?
Yes. Done.
Okay. So now, for the sake of simplicity, what we can do is we also have tax, right? Tax rate.
Tax. Yes, tax rate is 28%.
So
Uh,
why don't you put it 28% over there?
in income tax.
Yeah,
Okay.
maybe you can just, yeah,
How?
28%. You can write manually 28%, or you can change the income tax to tax rate over here. This particular, instead of income tax, write tax rate. No, just tax rate, right? No, it should
Sorry,
be
sorry.
tax rate. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
Remove income and give space after tax. There is a space before T as well. Huh? Yeah. Be mindful about this. Space between tax and rate.
Okay, 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 sir.
Okay.
Done.
No, there is no space between tax and rate. You are given space after tax, after rate. Double click, give a backspace, go before R, rate. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. They are separate words.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, what is the tax rate? Now you can simply go to interest 20,000, copy the formula 20,000 over here, copy the formula and paste it. No, not like this. Just copy cell, Control C. Yeah, come to tax rate, Control V. What is the issue?
I guess,
Do one thing, just copy the
tax
tax.
rate is in percent, sir.
No, 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 that is not the issue. We are not able to find the value. That is why it is returning NA. NA is the type of error.
Okay.
Is there a space before T? Can you check in the tax rate in the beginning? Double click. Double click on tax rate. Go to T. Is there a space? Yeah, that was the reason. Now again, copy the formula and paste it. Just change this to percentage. Percentage. Not that.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Mayur,
Yes, sir.
Gayatri.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Rishabh,
Yes.
quickly do one thing. These sales, okay, gross profit. Select gross profit for 2024.
Gross profit. In inputs.
No, no, no. Just select these cells, okay?
Okay.
2024, 2025 for both.
Okay.
Okay. You can mark, give them a yellow background. Go up. Yeah. Okay. Simply copy those cells and wherever you see blank, paste it. Copy, Control C.
Control C.
Then go come above 20, EBIT. Come in front of EBIT. Yeah. Control V. Not happening. Okay.
So,
Go to this again. Say similarly do that. There is another way of doing it. I'll teach you. Again, paint. I mean, give a background as yellow. Okay. Now hold on. Okay. Select these two cells. Okay. Go to Format Painter.
this one.
Left. Go left, left. Little down. Can you see Format Painter written over there?
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Just click. Okay. Now come down to the cell in front of EBIT. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Just click on that. Okay. So
Yes.
this way you can copy for format of one cell into another cell. Format Painter. Similarly, do that for net income.
Net income, just a second.
Yep. No, you have to select the cell, reference cell, which is EBIT.
Okay. Okay. Reference for that.
Got it? Now,
Yes.
let us do this calculation. So the reason I have asked you to highlight it, so it will be easy for us to understand what values we have calculated. Okay. Now, click on gross profit equal to
Gross profit. Okay.
2020 equal to, yeah. So
Uh,
reduce
revenue
revenue minus
minus what we can say.
COGS.
Oh,
Hit enter. Okay.
yes.
Now go to EBIT. What is the formula for EBIT? The formula is given in the instruction. Read it.
Gross profit. Gross profit. Then minus opening balance. Opening expenses
Hmm.
minus depreciation.
Operating expenses minus
Depreciation.
got it. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
725. Then calculate EBT
EBIT. Uh,
equal to
net income.
hmm,
Uh,
minus EBT minus EBIT minus interest. Your
EBIT
EBIT
minus
minus
interest.
hmm. Click OK. Yeah. Now you have to calculate net income. How do you calculate net income?
EBIT is equal to EBIT minus tax.
How would you minus the 28% of EBIT?
We directly means what we can say select that range, or we can calculate first.
Multiply?
Okay. Multiply by 12.
No. Multiply. Put the multiply sign. Then again select EBIT. EBT.
Okay.
Hit enter. Got it? So what we have done is we have calculated 28% of EBT and reduced it from EBT.
We first calculate EBIT, right? Then uh, okay, sir. Got it.
Got it?
Yes.
Now why don't you fill these values out for 2025?
If we applied formula here to VLOOKUP, then we can refer this same value, no, sir?
Yeah, you can apply VLOOKUP. You will have to select column 3 over here. That's it. Instead of 2. Select revenue first.
Revenue. Okay. Revenue. Then
Comma.
table array that refers this table, right?
Yes. Select entire table. Entire table.
Okay. Entire table. We log it.
Comma.
Then this one.
3. No. Just enter 3.
3. Sorry.
This is the column index that we want to give from the array. So array we have already selected. Array means table basically over here.
Okay. Is it anything wrong in this, sir? I
Go,
guess.
yeah, go till the comma, click backspace.
Okay. Only three, right?
Yeah, comma. We want exact matches, comma, false. Enter. Got it?
Yes.
Now simply drag this formula down. Wherever you see NA, you can hit delete, 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 delete. And wherever you see those 13,000, so simply you can do over here is click, go to 13,000, Control C, Control C, Control V. Do this for others as well.
EBIT, I guess.
Control C,
Okay.
clear.
Yes.
So these are the calculations in currency. So why don't we format them as currency? Except
First
for
select
tax
this.
rate. Except for tax rate, format everything as currency.
No, no, sir. First select this range or directly we
No,
can.
see, you will have to select the numbers, right?
Okay.
Not that. Yeah. Left. Left drop down. The first one.
This one
Can you
or
see
this one?
percentage? Can you see percentage?
Yes.
Just before that, can you see drop down? Just before that, before percentage.
Okay.
Yeah. Let us say, can you see dollar? No dollar. Okay. In the symbol only. Accounting is already selected. Yeah. That is also fine. Drop down. Change tax rate back to percentage.
Tax rate. Okay. 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 Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let us move on to cash flow statement now. Mayur, Gayatri, you guys are clear what we are doing over here?
Yes, sir.
Gayatri,
Yes, sir.
any blocker? Any doubt?
No.
Perfect. Let us move to cash flow statement now. Okay, so what is the net income, Rishabh, for 2024?
Net income. Uh, 5,07,600.
Yeah. So why don't you put it over there?
Sir,
Hmm.
how did we calculate net income?
Go back to input income statement, Rishabh. Yeah. So can you see these instructions Gayatri written over here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first what we did is we had revenue for 2025. Okay. And we also had,
Yes.
I'm starting to explain the table from the beginning. Then we have cost of goods sold. So we have subtracted COGS from revenue and we have come up with the gross profit. And from gross profit, we wanted to calculate the net income. So we had to subtract all the subsequent things from there. So from gross profit, we first re- uh, subtracted operating expenses and depreciation, and then we have come up with EBIT, okay, earning before interest and tax. Then from that we have subtracted interest. Then we have come up with EBIT, EBT. Then from EBT we have reduced the tax rate, and this is how the net income has come up. They are all linked
Sir,
from
how we calculate 28%?
it has been already given in the income statement. Go back to inputs. Yeah. Can you see 28% tax rate?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Go to cash flow statement now, Rishabh. Okay. So you did a mistake over here.
Yes.
What was the mistake?
Uh, I I guess I copied sir.
You
Valid.
copied the formula,
Yes.
right? When you're copying the formula and if you want to paste it somewhere, you have to just go to income statement, copy that number, Control C, then
Okay.
go to cash flow statement, right click. Can you see paste options? In paste options, can you see 1, 2, 3?
Yes.
That is paste as values. Paste it.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Same with 2025.
Yeah. But I would say keep it dynamic so that if something changes in the first spreadsheet, it should automatically reflect in the subsequent sheets. So why don't you just either apply VLOOKUP or just press equal to and go back to that value. Either
Okay.
goes.
Okay.
Same, do that for the 2024 as well.
Sir, why this value is not in dollars?
And you can format it, not an issue.
Sorry.
You can format it as currency. Just click on that value and go to currency and do that.
No, 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 sir. There is no issue, but we select value for 2024. Is it come up with as it is in dollar signs? And the same apply with that 2025. So in that case, there is no showing dollar.
No, there is difference. So in 2025, you copied the value from there and pasted as text, pasted as value. Okay, so it by default has uh, ca- got that formatting. Over here, you're just pulling the value from here, but there might be some default settings for this spreadsheet
Okay,
because
okay.
of which it is preventing you. It is converting it into number, but not to the currency. Okay. Okay, formatting we can do later. Just try to fill this
Okay.
spreadsheet first. Okay, then what is next?
Depreciation.
Okay, do we have depreciation with us?
Uh, income
Go to
statement.
input table. Input table is the base table.
Okay, yes.
Again, I would say pull it with VLOOKUP. No, no, no,
Sorry,
no,
sorry, sorry,
not
sorry.
like that.
Sorry.
Control Z, again Control Z, Control Z, undo. Again, hit escape. I think something is wrong. Okay, take a minute and fill this up. Okay, no hurry.
Rishabh, can try Control plus Y?
Control plus
His
Y.
options are grayed out in his think system. I
No.
can't see any option. You should do one thing. Okay, select
Yes.
this entire range. Okay, now go to just a second. I'll tell you where you can find that option. Data. Okay, can you find something called as styles? Yeah, cell styles. Go up in the ribbon. Go right. Go right. Go right. Right. Again. Again right. Yeah. Just beside that.
Okay.
Drop down, click.
New
Okay,
cell
I think there
and
are limited options over here. But anyway, just change this to white, maybe. Or do one thing, I'll tell you the another way out. Click on opening cash flow for 2025.
opening cash flow.
Opening cash flow for 2025. Hit escape.
Okay.
Okay. Opening cash flow for 2025. Opening CF for 2025. Cell C7. Below that. Go down. Yeah. Click on format painter. Format painter. Left. Left
Format.
top.
What,
Left.
sir?
Format painter. Left top. You had selected it sometime back. Left. Left. Go left. You're going right.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Format painter.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on the entire range wherever you see yellow. Just select it from
This
top to
one?
bottom. Select it, yeah, and then release the mouse. Yes, got it.
Okay.
Click delete.
Okay.
Got it.
Yes.
Now again, the way your get you got this 2025 net income. Just click OK in 2024. Equal to 2024 in net income equal to. Go back to income statement. Yeah. Okay. Similarly, in depreciation equal to. Go to input statement. Input. Where is depreciation? Yeah. Then
Same
sim
with that account receivable.
yeah. So the reason we are not applying account this VLOOKUP over here is in the particular we have been given some calculation what to do with these numbers. Okay, some number. So when you say plus, it means the number needs to be. So when you say plus depreciation, the number needs to be added. When you say minus account receivable, it means the number needs to be subtracted. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that is why we are not able to apply the VLOOKUP over here. But no worries, we are keeping it dynamic by selecting the value. Now go back.
Inventory is there.
Yeah,
Or
inventory is there. Say third last.
inventories. Then account payable.
Okay. Wait. What is opening cash flow? How would you calculate?
Sir, I opening cash flow. Is it okay? Start with
Equal to net income.
net income.
Okay. Now below net income, what is there?
Depreciation.
So do we add it or subtract it? There is a sign which is mentioned over there.
Add it.
Yeah. Plus.
Depreciation.
Then account receivable. What do we
Account
do?
receivable minus
Hmm.
account receivable. Again minus
Hmm.
inventory.
Hmm.
Sorry. Inventory plus
Hmm.
account payable.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you understand these calculations?
Yes.
Why are we subtracting some numbers and why are we adding some numbers?
Yes.
Okay. Then now you have got operating cash flow. Okay. Why don't you bold it? Operating cash flow. Just select.
Operating.
Okay. That means this is the major number. So we can always format it accordingly.
Okay.
Okay. Now what is next?
Um.
PPE. Plant, property, equipment,
Yes.
you already have it in the incomes, in the input table.
Yes.
Okay, why don't you bring it from there?
Just then
Interest, you
we can
already have. Okay,
net
now
cash net
what
cash
do you want to do? Net cash flow. How would you do that?
net cash flow
So basically, you would subtract them all equal to operating cash flow
minus
minus PPE minus this. Okay,
okay
the value must be negative. Okay, and what was the opening cash we had?
opening cash. Yes, we have opening cash.
Go up,
Opening cash.
go up. Oh, there was one more table, right? In the income, in the input, go to input, not input statement. 1,50,000 was the opening cash we had, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, did you put 1,50,000 in the cash flow statement?
Yes.
Okay. Now add opening plus closing. Net plus cash. Sorry, net cash flow plus opening cash.
Cash flow plus
Just a second. Okay. Add it. Sorry.
edit.
You have added it. What is the
Yes.
reason? 5,70,000. Click OK. Hit enter.
Sir, we have net cash flow in negative.
Yeah, that is fine. 677 plus 150. Why is it negative? I mean, it should not be that much. Click on the opening, closing cash again.
Losing cash. Okay.
You added the wrong values. It should be net cash flow plus opening cash. You added operating
Is
cash.
equal to a net cash flow.
Hmm. No,
Opening.
opening cash. Opening cash is something that you need to add. You need to add. Opening
Opening.
cash one
B11.
B11.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Still is
Okay.
in minus.
Yeah. It is fine.
Okay.
So it is very important for any business, to understand what their opening cash was and what their closing cash is, and at the same time, these calculations, what we are subtracting for which, is very important. Okay, so right now you're just subtracted operating from net cash flow, and the value has changed significantly, right? So it is very important to be mindful. Got it?
Yes.
Now, whatever is the closing cash for 2024 becomes opening cash for
Cash flow of
2025.
2025.
Okay. Now
Yes.
go to the input table again. Go up, scroll up. Okay. Can you see link to 2024 closing cash and opening cash of 2025? It
There is
is written just below that.
opening cash and this is linked to 24 closing cash.
Yeah. Just hold on a second. Okay. Okay, just click equal to over there
Here,
in link to 2024. Yeah, equal to. Select it first. Yeah. Then go to cash flow statement.
closing cash.
Yeah. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, same you can go scroll down the table we have copied it down, right? Yeah. Then equal to over here you can get it from the same above, and that is fine. Okay, clear so far?
Yes.
Yeah. Now let us do these calculations for cash flow statement for 2025. You already have net income. Now do rest of the calculations and see what is the final value we are getting.
So we.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, finish it, finish it. I'll tell you what is the catch over here.
Is it correct, sir?
No, I will tell you what is the catch. Okay.
Okay.
So over here, there was, let us say, an assumption that the business has started, it's in 2024. So there was no data available before 2024. Okay. That
Okay.
is why in the first table, we have done all the calculations as it is. But in 2025, we have already pulled in some numbers. Okay. Now, there were some account receivable from 2025, there were some accounts payable for 2024, right? So
Yes.
these things needs to be considered while putting values for 2025.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
can you
Okay.
see
Yes.
delta over there minus delta AR minus delta inventory plus delta account pay,
Hmm.
right? So that delta stands for the difference. Okay,
Okay.
now over here we it should be in the, let us say, depreciation, or the not depreciation in delta AR, it should be difference of the account receivable for 2024 and 2025. Okay, we click over here in account receivable
Account receivable.
2025. Okay, now This is for, just hold on a second. So minus, put minus, input C41 minus, no, click escape, escape, yeah. In the formula, can you see in the formula bar? Yeah, minus,
Yes.
minus,
Mhm.
go back to the input cell again,
Input
input this,
this.
no, no, not this. Go, wait, go to the end of
Okay.
the formula first. Go to the end of the formula first. End of the formula. Yeah. Now click on input, tab. Okay. Now click on the account receivable for the earlier. Yeah. Hit enter. Something is wrong. Okay. You just go before minus sign, negative sign. Yeah.
Here.
After exclamation, C41. No, put exclamation, exclamation mark,
Where is it?
1.
shift 1,
Shift 1.
Okay.
C41.
C41.
Hmm. Now click enter. Okay, and it should be okay. Okay, then same do it for inventory as well. Similar
Invent
calculation. Subtract inventory for 2025 minus 2024 equal to,
equal to
go to inputs, 25 minus 24. Click 25 first, minus, minus sign. Yeah, now select 24. Hit enter. Okay. Now do it for account payables equal to, just hit equal to,
account payable.
yeah,
Okay.
80.
Okay.
Go to
No.
inputs,
Accounts payable 2025 minus. Okay.
okay.
Yes.
Now 678,760, perfect. Now same do it for PPE equal to,
PPE. Okay.
minus this,
Okay.
enter. Nonsense here. Just click on the net cash flow now. Now the financing CF should be subtracted.
So, oh,
Minus C9.
sir, please repeat.
So, uh, can you click on this, for double click on the formula before C9, write minus instead
Okay.
of plus. Okay. Yeah. Can you see the difference? What value we are getting right now as the closing cash flow? It is 89,000.
Yes.
Earlier, what were we getting? It was somewhere around 10 lakhs,
Yes.
right? So that is why these calculations are very important.
And operating cash, opening cash, sorry.
That will stay as it is, no? That is the closing cash from 2024.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now go to balance sheet. Okay, first, what happens is our financial year, whenever it ends, so companies first prepare this statement, income statement, cash flow statement, and followed by that, the balance sheet. So, understanding which calculations are coming from where is very important. This is the final step in which we write down we put down all the numbers together. So let us pull what is the closing over here in asset. We'll consider the closing cash. So what is the closing cash for 2024?
2024
Cash.
closing cash is 5,70,000.
Yeah, just uh, put it over there in the balance sheet. No, below that, in the cash.
Oh, sorry.
An account receivable. You can put it from inputs.
Account receivable. Yeah.
Then inventory.
PP.
Now you have to sum all of them, all of the above. Sum,
Yes.
write SUM, sum. Okay,
Number.
now select the entire range. Click enter. Yeah. Now go to liabilities.
Liabilities.
Payable.
Account payable.
Okay, the equity is the subtraction of total asset minus accounts payable. No, just click back. Okay. Go click on total assets for 2024.
Total asset.
Yeah. Minus accounts payable.
Accounts payable. Okay.
Okay. Click enter. So generally, equity right now we are considering it. So this is the balancing calculations. So generally, whenever you are, calculating the balance sheet, the thumb rule is total assets should match the total liabilities. So that is the thumb rule. Okay. Anyone from the commerce background over here?
Sir, I am.
You you know it better, right? So how to calculate balance sheet and all,
Yes, yes.
right? Okay. Then do same calculations for 25.
If I
Gayatri, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
You are getting what we are doing over here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, done.
Yes.
Clear. So Rishabh, you must have done this in the graduation in
Yes,
spreadsheets,
sir.
or you
Yes.
must have done it in
The
notebook
spread
as well, right?
I am not done in spreadsheet, sir, but we
In
can say
notebook.
yes, yes.
So this is the task, right, in the exam to balance,
Yes, yes, yes.
tally
Prepare
the
the
balance.
table and final balance sheet.
Yeah. Interesting. So let us now, we have all the tables ready with us. Now we will go ahead. Rishabh, quickly format this as currency.
Okay, so
Select entire range. Yeah, then format currency.
oh,
Expand it. Double click. Simply double click would work on
here.
that line. Yeah. On the intersection, double click. Yeah. Same goes for here.
Okay, okay. It's a
Okay. Just
rupee.
do one thing for me, Rishabh.
Yes.
Can you click on the asset column, asset row?
Asset here.
Okay,
Okay.
just click. and go up in merge cells, merge and center. Can you see merge and center? Go up in the
Alignment.
alignment, alignment.
Alignment.
Okay.
Yeah, just click on that. Don't drop down. No drop down. Just click. Click on drop down again. Yeah, just click. No.
Here or here only, sir?
Click cancel. Yeah, just click. Yeah, in the middle. Click. Click now. Yeah. Same do for liabilities. Go to liabilities. Click on merge and center. Uh, uh, it should work. So basically, we want to unmerge these cells. How do we do that? Click on the drop down again while you're on the cell. Can you see unmerge option? Yeah. Yeah, unmerge cells. So
Okay.
generally it happens in the, 365 version, not happening over it. Do the same thing for assets as well. Yeah, okay. I think they are already separate cells, unmerged cells. Yeah, because of the border, we are not able to get it. Perfect. So got it, everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Any doubts?
No.
No.
Okay, now let us create a dashboard. So what does it say? So basically, what is dashboard is this is the overview of business. We will get to know what business and how it is doing. Okay, now first is we want to create a combo chart for revenue column and net income row.
Row.
Where is revenue and net income? So you will get it in income statement, right? Now
Revenue.
revenue and income statement.
Okay.
Okay, now select this entire. So we can do it with pivot or we can do it as it is. How do you want to do? Just select particular the first row, entire row till 2025. Okay, then uh, click on control. Okay, then revenue. Select revenue, same row. No, just revenue. Keep control pressed and then income statement. Similarly, select income statement.
What key, sir?
Control.
Control.
Just control, okay. And now
Okay.
select income statement.
Income statement.
Last row. Okay. Now go to insert above in the ribbon.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see recommended charts? Click over there
Recommended chart.
above in the ribbon. Right, go right, go right, go right. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. This is the chart we want to create, the first one.
Okay.
Okay. You can also see the all charts option. What are the different suitable options?
Which one?
You can select the second one,
This
in
one.
which, yeah, we are getting comparison of both revenue and income for the, yes. What has happened is, Rishabh, you have
Dashboard.
actually 2024 and 2025. This is not selected. Can you click on particular B, column B, 2024, write it over there, 2024. Okay, now 2025 in the next. Okay, so actually that range is not picked up. Right click on the chart and see if you can modify the range. Right click on the chart title. Yeah, select data. select data, click OK. Over here, click on add. Can you see add? Yeah. Then select this particular whole range, the particular row, entire row. Select it. Okay. Now click OK. Okay. Now click OK. Now this 1 and 2 should have been changed to 2024, 2025. But anyway, that can be done later. Copy this chart.
Enter chart.
Yeah. Control C. No, just click on the chart. Control
Okay.
X. Cut it. Control X. Okay. Go to dashboard. Control V. Okay. Now go up. What is the second task?
Create a pie chart.
Pie chart for.
Expenses breakdown.
Okay. Where do you get expenses like COGS, operating expenses, depreciation?
And interest.
In the income statement? Right? So you have to create a pie chart now.
Okay. Select directly, sir, this range.
No, no, no. You don't want it for 2024. You want it 2025.
Okay.
Okay. Now select what you can say. Let us select this COGS.
Okay.
Left, 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 left. Okay, we want to select some values from COGS. I mean particular table and some relevant values from 2025 column. Okay. Click on COGS, the left one, particular. Go left, left.
Hmm.
Okay. COGS. Then select click on control, then operating expense. Click on operating expense.
Hmm.
Okay. Then click on
Depreciation.
hmm,
Then
then
interest.
interest, then tax rate. No, no, don't click on tax rate. That is fine. Just select tax rate again.
Just a minute, sir.
Rishabh, do one thing over here, okay?
Yes, sir.
In the tax rate, okay, click tax rate as well. Now for 2025, select those values, subsequent values. For COGS 2025, select that. For operating expense, select that. For depreciation, for interest. Now again, go to recommended chart.
Why not select?
All charts. Click on all charts. Can you see pie chart? Yeah. Click OK. Now there is just one catch over here. The tax rate over here, we have put it in the percentage. We want to put it in number. So go to 28%. Can you
This.
see 28%? Click. Okay. Add a multiplication sign in the formula at the end. No, you can
Where?
do it after false. Add a multiplication sign. Multiply with EBT.
Select EBT.
Yeah. No, the above it, the about 9,08,000 value.
No, this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Click enter. Now come to net income. Net income. Come to net income
Net income. Okay.
for 2025. 2025. The next one. Yeah. Click equal to. EBT, select EBT 9,08,000 minus the value below it.
Minus
Tax rate. Yeah. Click enter. Okay, now just format this to currency.
this one,
Yeah,
currency or percent.
currency. So instead of tax rate, we will write it as tax. So actually, we wanted to consider it in the pie chart, but the percentage value wouldn't have looked good. It would have, changed the tax, changed the pie chart completely. Okay,
Okay.
now it is better. Okay,
So how we that select, sir, what we can say, there is a hidden value. So we want to in outer range there is a show value there. How we can select?
select the chart, click on the chart. Okay, can you see plus option somewhere? Don't right click,
Add
just
add.
click. हाँ ठीक है, add label.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay, done.
you can also do this in percentage as well.
Okay.
Okay, got it? Then cut this chart and put it to dashboard.
Control C or Control
Control X.
X? Control X. Third one is add KPI cards
Hmm.
for gross margin.
Yeah. For gross margin and net margin, we want to display those numbers, right? How do we do that?
Gross margin.
We already have these calculated, right?
Which value select first?
Gross margin is equal to gross profit divided by revenue. Okay, so go over there in dashboard. Okay, so
Gross
you
margin.
can do it by two ways. Okay, so either you can add a pivot table, okay, or you can do calculations on your own. So you may write just let us try to do it manually. Later you can do it too using pivot table. Okay. Uh, data insert.
Gross margin means we calculate gross profit minus
Write
sorry.
okay. Write gross margin somewhere where the cells are merged. Go to the cell anyway B2 or something. Yeah. Write gross margin. Then write 2024.
Here down or
Yeah.
next to margin.
No, down.
Okay.
Then same copy and paste it to C next cells both. Okay, make both of them center aligned.
Here 2025 or
Yeah,
2024.
25.
Now what?
Now center aligned both.
Central align.
Click both gross margin and both the gross margins. Okay, select one cell below it as well. Below, select 2025 and one row below it as well.
This like
One
this.
below, one below. Yeah. Then make it center aligned. Go to alignment. Alignment. In the home tab only,
Okay.
center aligned. Left, go left.
Center.
Yeah,
Center. This one?
yeah. Okay. Now let us do calculation. Scroll down, come below 2024, the cell below 2024.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
equal to, go to the income. Where do we find these values?
What we can say, gross profit and by revenue.
Go
Gross
to income
profit.
statement, equal to, where is gross profit? Yeah, click on
Yes.
gross profit
Gross profit.
divided by,
Mm,
divide backslash.
yes. Uh,
You
okay.
can
Yes. Divided by
revenue.
revenue.
Hmm.
Um,
Click enter.
okay.
Convert it to percentage. Okay, select all of this for 2024 gross margin 2020. All these three rows.
Where?
Gross margin. Yeah,
Okay.
select these three. No, down, come down. Yeah. Then put outer border for this. Go to table, in font. Go in the home tab only. Yeah. Click on the drop
Sorry.
down.
Bottom table? Bottom border?
Click on the drop down. Yeah. Put outer border.
Okay.
Thick outside borders.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. Similarly, do calculations for gross margin as well.
Uh, Scroll to what we can say first. Gross profit.
Hmm.
Divided by revenue.
The revenue.
Okay. Now let me explain one concept quickly, and then rest you can do as a homework. Okay. Go to balance sheet now. Okay. Select this entire. Do one thing. Go above asset, the blank
Yes.
space of asset. No, before 2024, cell A1.
This one?
Yeah. Now select, enter particulars. Okay. Now select the entire table.
Oh, whole table?
Yeah. Control Z. Control Z first. Yeah. Insert pivot. Insert. Go to insert. Can you see pivot table? Pivot table.
First.
Okay. This one.
Yeah. Or you want to insert pivot chart? Let us insert pivot table. Wait. In the table range, go down. Can you see new worksheet?
This one?
Yeah. Below that, you will see existing worksheet.
Yes.
Yeah. Click over there. Now in the location, click on that arrow. Come to the dashboard. Dashboard.
Dashboard. Okay.
Okay. Now place it somewhere above here.
Where?
Below gross margin. Place it. Yeah. Now click on that again. Dialog box. Can you see create pivot table on your screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Click on that.
This one?
Yeah. Click OK. Okay. Now add some value in it. I think pivot table should activate. You do not have. pivot, go down, go left, left. Can you see pivot fields somewhere in the option?
This one.
Now the pivot fields should appear where we put value, the parameters into rows, columns, values, filters. It is not appearing. Click on cells B6 or B7. Click,
B6.
yeah, or B7, B7, one below it. Pivot field option is not coming for some reasons. Okay, the other day we have understood we have seen this option called as slicers, right? Do you remember? We have seen something called as slicers in pivot table.
Okay.
Let me share my screen. Please stop sharing, Yusuf. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Let us say I want pivot chart. Okay, I'm just trying. And I want it over here in my existing spreadsheet over here. Click. Okay. Let us do it in the separate spreadsheet. To particulars. Well, let us say this is my pivot chart in which what I'm doing is these are all my values across different categories. Let's say account receivable, inventory, depreciation. Now, if I want to, see specific values from this, what I'll do is I click on particular. This is slicer. You remember we have seen this the other day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this slice from these slicers, we can select what value we want to see. Let us say I just want to see depreciation. So my chart will change automatically. If I say PP, it will add up accordingly. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So we can simply copy this and paste this to our dashboard. We can also have this. You can also copy this slicer and put it here. Okay. Accordingly, my chart can be made interactive. Okay. So when you combine and put all of these values together, it will create something called as dashboard. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is just creating a rough this was just a rough idea about how you can create dashboards. However, after the session today, you can go over it and try to place it nicely, or you can create your own KPIs based on it. Okay, you already have instruction, you know how to do it, but just you need to give it a try.
Yes, sir.
So whatever we have learned today, or I mean in the entire program. Do you have any doubts so far?
So, sir.
No, sir, no, no.
Is there
It's
any topic which you did?
everything is very clear. Just we need to some practice. Then
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Then overall it means there is no any confusion, sir.
Only practice is important, sir.
Right.
Because
So,
selection matter is
right. Practice is extremely important because these are the concepts, but unless you practice it with the real
Yes,
data,
yes, sir.
right,
it
sir.
will not, be out. So there you will find a lot of projects online as well for this, Excel, wherein you can practice your skills. But using it regularly is important, right? Now, this was about Excel. Whatever is left from the dashboard, you can take it as homework and try to give it a shot. I don't think that is very difficult. That is something which is very difficult to do, but yeah, something you can definitely try. Okay.
Sure, sir.
So, all of you have installed Power BI.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I think
Yes, sir.
we might start with Power BI from tomorrow, considering the time that we have in hand. But let me just give you a quick overview of what Power BI is. So whatever we have done in Excel, so basically that was just the beginning. However, in Power BI, we can give data from Excel as input, and that data we can do create visualize. Dashboard we have created in over here in Excel. That was a very basic one, but in Power BI you can get to create very advanced dashboards. Okay, I'll just share my screen. The model is loading. Okay, you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the dashboard which is created for, let's say, one of the companies, right? So what you can see, these are the KPI cards over here. This is, through this visual, you can see what is the sales through different continent. This is the sales performance overall. This is the product margin that we have. And the way we have Excel slicers in Excel, we also have slicers in Power BI. You can select values accordingly here, and also change this data as per the different years. Then you can have some more advanced functions. The way we were calculating pivot table over there, similarly we can bring in values in here. But this is the last part. Okay, there is a lot which happens before you come to this stage. So if you can see, this is the overall architecture of Power BI. I mean, this is the overall view of the Power BI. As soon as you open it, you will see all of these things. So interface is pretty much similar to Excel when it comes to ribbon and tabs. So we have tabs like Home, Insert, View, File in Excel. There are some additional tabs which we will which we will see as we move ahead with the course. And at the same time, you have these different views over here. So this is the main report view. But if you want to see what data it is coming, it is bringing in, so you will see these data tables over here, right? So these are the different data tables which I have loaded. But all of this table need to be connected. If you have more than one table, then we need to connect them these tables with some parameters. You remember in VLOOKUP how we used to pull value from one column to another with respect to some column parameter. Let us say today we have done this for revenue, COGS, right? So similarly, a common key needs to be there. We call it as primary key, and through which the table can be connected. And there are some additional views for DAX queries. So the formulas that we write in Excel, we call that as formula or function, but in spreadsheet in Power BI we call it as DAX. DAX is the language which we call as data analytics expression. And this is another view which is recently added with the update. So we will mostly be, these three views are important for us: the report view, the data view, and the table view. And on the right side, I have this, filters, then these different visualizations. So we had this chart, pie chart, right now what we have created. Similarly, we have these visual options over here. Then we have these different data tables. If you can see what your data tables we have loaded. So this is the basic overview of Power BI. Once we start, going into it, as we process, we will get to know more about it. Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. And we will, get more into detail of it tomorrow. Okay. In the meantime, you just try to finish up with Excel and the Power BI you already loaded. I'll be sharing a file for Power BI as well right now after the lecture. Just go over it and try to understand what we are going to learn. Anyways, I'll be explaining it tomorrow in the lecture. Okay, Rishabh,
Yes.
Mayur, all
Yes,
good?
sir.
No doubts?
No.
Gayatri?
No, sir, no.
Yeah.
Thank you
Yes,
so much.
sir.
Gayatri, have you watched recording for other uh, sessions that you have missed or you attended them in the different batch?